All right, students, if you're aiming to study abroad, you need to know about the IELTS. That's right, the International English Language Testing System. I'm here to break it down for you, step by step. So, let's dive in. First things first, IELTS is your gateway to universities in English-speaking countries. It's accepted worldwide by over 10,000 organizations. Impressive, right? But how do you conquer this exam? Stay tuned. The IELTS is divided into 4 key sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Sounds daunting? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's start with listening. You'll have 30 minutes to answer 40 questions. You'll listen to recordings of native speakers and answer questions based on what you hear. Pro tip: pay close attention to the instructions. Next up, reading. This section also has 40 questions but gives you 60 minutes. You'll face 3 long passages and a variety of question types: multiple choice, true, false, and more. Remember, time management is key. Now, on to writing. This is where most students struggle. You'll have 60 minutes to complete 2 tasks. Task 1 requires you to describe visual information like graphs or charts. Task 2 is an essay. Make sure to present a clear argument. Practice makes perfect. Finally, the speaking section. This is a face-to-face interview lasting 11 to 14 minutes. It's divided into 3 parts: an introduction and interview, a long turn where you speak for 2 minutes, and a discussion. Be confident and speak clearly. So, how do you prepare? Simple. Practice. Use online resources, join study groups, and take mock tests. Familiarize yourself with the test format and question types. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll be. And remember, it's not just about studying hard, but also studying smart. Focus on your weaknesses and turn them into strengths. One last tip on test day: stay calm and composed. Trust your preparation and give it your best shot. You can do this. So there you have it, everything you need to know about the IELTS. Hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Good luck and happy studying.